Hi guys, today we're going to talk about science! Now, the science of black holes. Now, black holes, suck in light. Now, I think I have a theory about black holes. I don't think they come from just an explosion of mass collected in one center. I think there's like a core inside the star still living. Like there's a tiny, tiny, tiny core the size of my fingernail inside there, which is, has infinite gravity. And yeah. And then there's the inventorizers, which I think collects by ornery. So I think there's different regions for each type of information. Like for example, you take another Earth, which is impossible, but another Earth, and then condense it. Boom! You get just a 50-cent coin, a black hole, and the center would be teeny, like this small compared to the coin, and that's where if that dies, then everything dead. And I think the energy that Hawking radiation energy comes from that, because it needs to get bigger, it needs to get smaller and smaller to condense that information. And if it goes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, what happens? It breaks apart. So it needs to condense it. But unfortunately, like the universe, if gravity becomes too much, it will be squeezed and boom, dead. So that's my theory of black holes. Now let's talk about the moon. The moon, we all know the moon controlled the tides and everything. I have a theory for that too. The moon, I don't think was created by any sort of means by a Mars crashing to Earth. So imagine dang it. So imagine this was Earth, and this is Mars over here. Crash landed, boom, and I don't think that happened. What I think is the moon came from the Kuiper belt and crashed in, and came in at Earth's orbit when it was an early planet. And I think it alters the continents, so that's why they move. And I think it also alters how cold and warm stuff is. So it literally came out from the sky. Third, I'd like to. Third, water. How did Earth get water? Now here's my theory. My theory is an ocean planet. My theory is, oh my god, I can't think of anything. My theory is water came to Earth itself. My theory is the mantle had some sort of ocean biome that was huge and massive, so it erupted from a volcano. Pretty far-fetched, but there is steam, so steam, and then icicles to ice, and then water flowing on the ground, and eliminates lava pretty easily. And that's my theory. And my theory number 4, the last one, probably this is why humans came. You know why? I think humans came DNA, after the eruption of the steam volcano and the water. I think ionized DNA that was left on the Earth's surface went down to the ground, the surface of the Earth, and the ionized DNA became cells all the way up to us, which is pretty fantastic. Now I'm gonna have to end this video off here, so stay sciencey, folks. Bye.